slide left, he's 30 out. You coming left, Linus? Good, easy forward, a little bit left. 10 feet, I'm gonna hold him. Okay, hold that right there. He's coming down the last little bit, onto the trail. Touching down right now. There he is on the ground. Clean hook coming up. Easy forward, pause, ready to climb. We're 30 out there. Hey, I'm gonna have you pick him at the same spot. Okay, that sounds good. A little bit left, let me know when you lose him. Alright, just lost me. Good, right, choose that line. 3, rolling cable. Continue forward. 3. Continue forward. Shoot. We're 30 up. You slid right, so slide left and continue forward. 1. Easy left, continue forward. Keep coming left, continue forward. Left, we gotta go left about 5 feet and forward. Good. Continue forward. 1. Go ahead and continue forward, Linus. Slow your forward. Go ahead and hold your forward. Hook's coming in here right now. Okay, so we need to go left and forward to center. Okay, taking the slack in. Let's go easy left and forward. Easy forward, easy left. Easy forward, easy left. Good. Taking the slack. Let's load. 3, 2, 1. Load is yours.
Hey, power control down. You're good.
Easy forward, pause, ready to climb. 30 out. 20 out. 10 out. Lower skid. Put them past the skids. And I'm going to pull them in. Slide left. 3. Rolling cable. Yeah, I lost visual. 20 out. 2. Hold this line. Coming forward. 1. Continue forward. Keep going forward. Continue forward. Hold this line. Continue forward. Slow your forward. Go ahead and hold your forward right there. Hook's coming in hand. Hook's in hand. Easy forward, easy left to center. Okay. Easy. Good. Take the slack in the flow to 3, 2, 1. Load's coming up.
Power control earlier, yes.
Easy forward, pause, ready to climb. 40 up. 30 up. 20 out. Bottom skid.